Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change language on Sims Mobile. To change language on your Sims Mobile application, first of all, you will need to launch open the Sims Mobile app on your device. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the white arrow on the right hand corner of the screen. This will bring up the settings interface. Now, from the settings menu, scroll down and get to the language option. By default, your language will be set to English. Tap on English and choose from the other languages option and tap on one of them. Click on Let's Go in the pop-up and you will then be able to change your language for the Sims mobile app. Your game will quickly restart with a different chosen language. So that is how you can easily change your language setting on Sims Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.